Today we're doing probably the most trending thing you can do to your car for Christmas. We're gonna put a bunch of Christmas lights on the Mustang today. Okay, this is not hard, it's not rocket science. I actually did this last year before it got super popular. So now that everyone's doing it, it's not really the same in my opinion, but if you've never done it before, this is a DIY video on how to do it, and we're just gonna jump right into it. You will need a couple things, obviously. You will need shocking Christmas lights. You will also need a power inverter. Depending on the lights you get, I use typical house lights. You can get battery operated ones where you just have to put batteries on the lights. I prefer the traditional ones. The reason for that, most of us have a power inverter laying around anyways, and the way it'll work is whenever you start the car up, the inverter turns on, your lights turn on. When you turn the car off, all the lights turn off with the power inverter. I like that a lot. Plus, I hate messing with batteries. All right, I didn't buy a Tesla, I bought a Mustang. You also need some tape, and that's it. This is easy. This isn't hard. If you ever wanna open your hood after you do this, or open your trunk, think ahead. Gabby made an excellent point. I thought about the doors, but not the hood. So basically, if you want to open your hood or your trunk or your doors, route the lights in a way where you can still open them. Might involve running lights back and forth, but worth it because this thing needs oil changes all the time because I'm always sending it.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries.
Okay, we got the first strand done. This did not go as I planned, and that's one thing when you guys do this. This is definitely not a science, it's a freaking art. We had it start from the inside, go to the door, and then run across the hood, go to the fender, and then we still had some more, but we needed the door and the hood to open. So we shot it up over the roof, following the roof line, and then around the spoiler. So that was one strand. I think that was like 250 feet worth of lights. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the second strand, and the plan is hopefully we can do the rest of the car, this whole side and the back of it. We shall see if I have enough. I just realized that these lights, each box comes with 2 strands. We have way more than enough, so we actually have 4 strands. So what I just put out was 1 strand, and it did half the car. So you guys, like the link I put in the description below, you guys could totally just buy 1 box and probably do your whole car. I think it was like 40 bucks maybe. It was on sale. Dang, dude.
At the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling.
Okay, we are almost over halfway done. I just broke my first light. Pro tip for you guys, watch out for the lights near the door sills because if they're too close, you will break it. I broke this one. I'm hoping that means the whole strand doesn't work. I'm hoping the strand still works even with that one broken. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the power inverter real quick and test what I got. All right, we got the power inverter. I had to order a new cable for it. So this is a 400 watt power inverter. I'm hoping it has enough to power these lights. It should. If you are running more or less lights, you may want to get a smaller or larger power inverter. Worst case scenario, I have a big one in the trailer that I can just take out and put in here if need be, but I'm hoping I don't have to do that because that thing is massive and I'm not trying to run a refrigerator in here while I'm driving. If I wanted to drive with a refrigerator, I would just purchase a Cybertruck. Now, I'm probably gonna have to get a power strip or something because I have multiple lights, but so far, we are good. Check it out, guys, they're working. Sweet. The question is, do the lights still work even being broken? Yes, they do. Oh man, you can't tell obviously because it's daylight right now, but check this out. So in the camera, they're flashing, but they're actually not flashing, but you can, I'm pretty sure, change the colors on these. Oh yeah, these are dope. Cool, man. All right, let me finish it before I start playing with it more. All right, so I found it easiest to, first off, use this tape. Like packaging clear tape, this seems to work the best. I really like it. And what I do is I tear off a big strip, I put it on the roof, and then I cut little sections. So I do that at once. I get like 5 pieces of tape, and that lets me go really quick. Boom, boom, boom. Pow, pow, pow. So that's how I do it. Do it however you want. But that's my pro tip. Novice tip, whatever.
At the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
We got it installed. But I haven't even seen it yet. Talon, have you seen it? Because I haven't seen it.
Maybe with more lights you could, oh my goodness.
That's sick, bro. Dang.
That's pretty lit.
I really like these type of lights too. So all of them have like different settings too. So like if we want to make it strobe or something.
Oh yeah, you got all kinds of different stuff going on right now. Whoa, over the roof too. That's really cool. That's really cool. There you go.
Dude.
Yeah.
It turned out really good.
That turned out amazing.
What? Oh, the bumper's not doing it though.
Oh, that's cool. My goodness. Can we do this to my car next?
Huh?
Can we do this to my car next?
Yeah, dude, you should have.
You shut up.
Did that get the bumper or no?
Let's see. The bumper is, yeah, it's slow flashing still, kind of.
Huh?
Good job, buddy. It's appreciating your own work. Good job, buddy.
Hey, Gabby helped too. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like inside the car. I did run a strand inside because I'm going to be giving drift ride-alongs. Looks sick, right?
Heck yeah.
So I'm going to be doing ride-alongs in this car on the drift track, and I wanted to have some lights on the inside. I've never done that before, but it honestly looks pretty cool. This is what's powering it, and because I had to use 3 strands.
Back seat is clean. Fan
Thanks,
blowing
bro.
back there, bro. It's legit.
Dude, it's luxurious. I had to use a power strip though.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yeah, so these are house grade, but we got them in the car with the inverter. Let's go.
that's right, man.
Let's get it. That's how you do it, because like I don't think they make car ones this long, bro. But that's you make
Christmas lights.
I don't think they do, not yet. After this year, they probably will.
I think some people. No, you're not kidding, bro. I think
This is
some
lit, man.
people go and buy the ones that have the battery boxes on them. But,
Sheesh.
yeah. Before we end this video, there is one more thing. We got to put the wheel lights on there.
Do not wait. Oh, that's right.
We got to put the wheel lights on there. All right, now my turn to be your cameraman.
Yeah, I'm a terrible cameraman. I'm all up in your face like. Here we go.
What are we doing today, Tom?
Putting lights in today. These lights here. These lights we're putting installing on the wheels. I don't know exactly how we're doing it. Gabe says we're duct taping the battery box on the center, because at the outside, the centrifugal forces will have this thing swinging like crazy. So
Yeah.
let's find out. Let's see.
How clean my wheels are, dude. I actually cleaned them for once. No, don't even look at the inside of it. So for the last part of this video, these are literally bicycle lights, like spoke lights for bicycles. And I think they're gonna work on a car. They should. There's no spokes, but there is spokes. I don't know, wheel nubs. I think it'll work on the wheel nub. The question is it gonna fly off on the highway doing Mach 10? I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do it.
90%, bro, is what that does.
Talon is not wanting this thing to go anywhere. Holy crap, dude. I think you just add another 5 pounds in tape to that wheel.
Let it go. Love this wire.
Let it go. Let's go, baby!
Come Santa Claus, come Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Ducks in the